This is the Leatherman Charge TTI featuring the titanium handle grips. Here's what you get in the box: the leather sheath, the bit kit with 6 reversible bits, the removable pocket clip, and the removable lanyard ring, and the Charge TTI. The Charge TTI features Leatherman's heavy-duty pliers with the round gripping area. This one has a cap crimper here, and the needle nose portion is serrated for better gripping action. Also included are the hard and soft wire cutters. The Charge TTI also features an inch scale ruler here on the side and a metric scale ruler here. Also on this side too, the rulers here. The Charge TTI features these implements on the inside of the cases: the combination bottle opener and can opener, the bit driver with a Phillips and straight screwdriver bit combination. On the other side, the large straight screwdriver, the small removable Phillips and straight screwdriver, and the scissors. The Charge TTI bit driver locks into place and makes a heavy-duty screwdriver. On the outside of the Charge TTI are the knife blades. This is the smooth blade. It locks into place. This is the serrated blade with a gut hook, and it locks into place. This is the diamond file. On the other side, cross-cut file and straight cut teeth along the edge. Locks into place. And this is the saw blade, and it locks into place. The Charge TTI also includes a removable pocket clip. It inserts right here and releases with the locking key. To remove it, press here, pull it off. Also, the removable lanyard ring. The Charge TTI is an amazing tool. Its pliers are heavy duty and work well. Every implement on it locks into place. And with the titanium handle inserts, it's light in weight. Get equipped. Get a Leatherman.